everybody. It's been a long time since my last video. Lots of stuff been going on. A lot of work. A lot of pandemic shit. So I'm taking you on a commute to the office. So how's everybody been doing? It's been a while. Hope everybody's okay. Hope everybody's doing their thing. Look at this. Fucking idiots. It's Wednesday, July 29th. Summer's almost over. 1 month left to go. And we're still in this pandemic shit. Alright, so we're gonna go to the Queensboro Bridge. Doesn't look like much traffic today. Everybody's been enjoying the summer, you know, as much as they can with all the current situation. I've been busy. I've been working like a dog. I've been splitting my time, working from home, going to the office. But now that looks like it's easing up around here. People are going to the office a little bit regularly, so I might have to go more. I don't know. Not sure if I want to do that yet. But for sure, I'm not taking a train. Oh, hell no. I'm not taking that Corona train. So for those of you who don't live in New York City and don't commute in traffic, this is what it's like. So I'm gonna head down to 31st Street between 2nd and 3rd, find parking. Then I gotta walk to 36th and 5th. Alright, I'm here. 31st Street, 2nd Avenue. Gotta find some parking. Right here. Okay. Fast forward a few hours and I'm done with work. Heading home. Squeeze through that one. So this is how it is, but it's actually lighter because, you know, not so many people are working still. It still hasn't completely opened up. This time there would just be way too much traffic. everybody enjoyed it. Stay safe. Get out there and ride. Until next time, peace. And before I hang this all up, quick shout out to Black City MC.